got a great new listing for sale in the south side of Grangeville, right next to Pioneer Park. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate. Come inside and check it out with me. Welcome to 311 South Florence. It's a beautiful home on probably the most coveted street in Grangeville. We're going to walk through the living room here real quick. You have the wood burning stove right there in the family room. I'm going to turn the corner here. See a nice built-in china cabinet. Have the dining area. I'm going to show off this kitchen here. Just perfectly spaced. You got the dishwasher, trash compactor, the range microwave side by side, all stays here with the house. Beautiful cabinetry. Very nice carpet and vinyl flooring in here. Coming down the hallway, you can see the built-in cabinet right there. Right here is the first of the bathrooms. We're going to walk into the master bedroom. It's a beautiful backyard. We're going to get back in there here in just a minute. I have the bathroom here for the master. We're going to walk straight across the hall to the second of this 3-bedroom home. And that's the 3rd bedroom. And now we're going to take a quick look outside. This home really does have so much going for it, but this is a beautiful backyard. Lots of trees for shade. Have a raised garden bed here. And that garden bed's not going anywhere. Quite often you see those raised beds and they're just bowing out. And that thing is built to last forever. Has the patio up there. Beautiful backyard. Let's go down into the basement and check it out. Alright, we're coming down into the basement and I need you to stick with me. This house has a feature that most houses you find in town don't. But this here is the basement. Nice, big, large room. You have a pellet stove down here. Built-in bookshelves. I'll show you, point out one of the improvements the owner did to this property is they got a big window with access to the outside. So if you wanted to shorten this room up and make an extra bedroom down here, you have egress. Right here is a really cool room. You don't see this very often, but could be storage, craft room, reloading room. There's a workbench here. There's already some storage shelves, so really cool little room right here. Walk down all the way here, quick. Right down there is the water closet for the basement. Just a toilet and sink, no shower or tub. Right in here is the laundry utility room. This house has a heat pump for its heating and air conditioning, so you can check that out right there. Nice Lennox unit. Storage, hot water heater, sink, washer and dryer, stays with the property. Got all kinds of storage down here for a very large pantry. There's also another workbench here. If you're into crafts or anything like that, there's plenty of room to do that right inside of the house. But that brings me to the next item that you don't often see at houses in town, and so I want to take you up there and show you that right now. So no, it's not the 2-car garage that I've been bragging about. It's right here at the back of it. I'm going to bring you in here real quick. We got another storage room, and right here is the workshop. Be great for a wood shop, metal shop, whatever crafts you might be into. There's heat out here, it's insulated, there's 220 power right there. benches, works just a really, really nice spot. There's the control unit for the underground sprinklers here in this house. And there's one other feature I'd like to show you out. Thanks for watching towards the end of this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I'm the only agent that does videos like this for his listings here in North Central Idaho. And so if you appreciate them, please give me a like, maybe even a share. And make sure you're subscribed to our channel at Idaho Real Estate so you don't miss the best properties here in North Central Idaho. This is the other big feature I wanted to highlight here in the video is we're standing in Pioneer Park. It's less than a 2-minute walk from the house. As you can see, the city pool's right here behind me, but this park holds a ton of really cool events. During the summertime, they have farmers markets on Saturdays here. On Thursday nights, they do a summer concert series, and there's always great music being played. Right over here at Main Street is the most popular place to line up for the parade during the 4th of July. During the winter, they have a really cool winter concert here, and all of these trees are lit up all of the month of December with Christmas lights. It's beautiful. Santa comes in his truck and greets all the kids. So this really is a cool place to live if you're wanting to live in Grangeville. So give me a call right away.